So this chicken curry that we're doing today, as you can see, is cooked with whole garlic there. It's also cooked with milk and yogurt. It really is delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so the chicken there is 1 kg of chicken, or 2.2 pounds. Parts cut. The bone is in. I've taken the skin off. Well, most of it. I couldn't get the skin off the wings, but there you go. I've got the juice of 1 lemon. I've got a teaspoon of salt. I've got a teaspoon of turmeric, and I've got 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. We're going to get a mixing bowl and give that a nice mix together. Okay, so mixing bowl, the chicken's there. Like I say, skin has been taken off, the bone is in. Let's add the juice of a lemon or lime. Let's add a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of turmeric, and 2 of the chili powder. You can see that I've got a glove on. I'm going to get in there and give this a nice little mix. And then once this is done, we're going to get to the cooker. Okay, so in there I've got 3/4 of a cup of mustard oil. Now, if you don't have mustard oil, you can use a different oil, but mustard oil is pretty essential to this dish, I always find. Now, it's quite a lot of oil, but we're going to fry the chicken in that. So what we're going to do is heat that up to a nice medium heat. Then we're going to get the chicken in, and we're going to go for about 4 or 5 minutes on each side. So we don't want the oil crazy hot, but hot enough. So let's get our chicken and drop it in. And like I say, about 4 or 5 minutes on each side. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take the chicken out. We're going to set it aside, and then we're going to make our curry in this pan still. See in about 4 or 5. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take the chicken out and just set it aside. And then we're going to reduce this oil down by 3/4. Now you're going to get some sort of juices in there from the chicken. It's not just all oil now, but that's exactly what we want. So chicken's out. Let me just show you some other ingredients. Okay, so the chicken is done. Let's just take a look at some other ingredients. We have 1/2 cup of curd or plain yogurt. I'm going to whisk that up a little bit to make it smooth. 1 cup of onion cut nice and small. 1 cup of water. 1 cup of milk. Over a cup, that's like 1.25 cups maybe, of tomato paste. Garlic, just like that. That's going to go in. Now, I just peeled off a little bit of the outer skin, but yeah, 2 heads of garlic. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. 2 teaspoons of chili powder. I'm using Kashmiri. 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 of cumin, and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Here I've got about a tablespoon of ghee. Let's get back to the cooker. This is fantastic. So as you can see, I've reduced the oil down here by 3/4, and we've got some lovely bits in there which really add to the flavor. We're going to start by dropping in a cup of finely chopped onions. We're on slightly above medium heat, and we're going to go for about 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, now 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, in that goes, along with some salt, and we're going to cook again for about another 3 or 4 minutes. Keep it moving all the time now, you know, really often. I don't want that garlic and ginger to burn. Okay, next up we're going to add that just over a cup of tomato paste. To that we're going to add 2 teaspoons of chili, 2 of coriander, and 1 of turmeric and cumin. Again, stay on this fairly vibrant heat, mixing often, about 3 minutes. Okay, we're now going to add 1 cup of cold water. And we're going to drop in those 2 whole garlics. We're going to go for about another 3 or 4 minutes. Again, keep it vibrant and keep it mixing. We're now going to add in that curd or yogurt, which I did whisk up. Mix it up and whisk it so it's nice and smooth like that. 2 minutes, keep it moving all the time now. Okay, beautiful. Now, 1 cup of milk. In that goes. Continue mixing for about another 3 or so minutes. Fabulous stuff. Okay, time to get the chicken back in there. And any juices that you've got there. We're going to lower the heat now, not to a simmer, but just above a simmer. So nice and low. And we're going to go for about 5 or so minutes. You can give it a stir every now and then. Okay, off goes the heat. That is really, really beautiful. Check the salt level of that. Just going to add a little bit of ghee into the mix. And that's ready to serve. Okay, and there you go. Really, really beautiful, deep tomato spicy sauce chicken. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. Please do take time to send me a comment. I do like to hear from you. A thumbs up is always helpful for the algorithms, and subscribe to the channel.